Did you catch that part in Avengers Endgame where Tony Stark used the Infinity Stone to defeat Thanos? That was such a mind-blowing moment.
It was epic, but did you notice how he snapped his fingers and then three was this game energy burst that completely obliterate Thanos and his party?
I did. That got me thinking though. How exactly did the Infinity Stone work together to create that kind of power? I mean, we've seen them used individually, but never all at once like that.
That's great question. I had some on silent it was because Tony had a unique view their combat power in way that no one else could.
Interesting. Where did you hear that? Was it from a reliable source?
Salty, I need it in a firm post the guy. Well, what if some pretty canal be about the issue? So I forgot it was probably accurate.
Forum posts can be hit or miss. I think we should try to find more official source, like an interview with one directors or writers.
Yeah, you're right. Maybe we can check out the official Manfred website or something.
Good idea. While we're at it, I also noticed something else. When Captain America back in time to return Infinity Stone, did he change the timeline at all, or did he create an alternate timeline?
That 31, I'm not country with some tourist suggest that he create a bigger timeline while others say that he simply passed the loop.
I lean towards the brand's timeline theory myself. It will explain why there's an older Steve Rogers living in new timeline. Oh.
That makes sense. I guess while this have you to wait for the writers to confirm or deny our theories.
Exactly. Until then, we can keep speculating and discussing all about this.